Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy. Then tap on Privacy section next to Permissions on the right and tap on App Lock. Then, after selecting Got It, you need to tap on gray switcher located next to App Lock feature. And if you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to continue. You can do that from here by tapping on Settings in Privacy Password pop-up. Finally, tap on Use a different password type. Pick one of those login methods that you will use to lock your apps. And then create it. You can repeat it in order to confirm it. And then set up your recovery email just in case. When you finished, hit confirm in the pop-up. Sorry, misclick. Okay, never mind. Anyway, you have to enter it and hit confirm. Then answer this security question. If you don't like it, you can always tap on it and pick one of those instead. If you don't like any of them, tap on the question again and hit custom question at the bottom. Now create your own and save it by tapping on confirm, just like your email. Remember to answer it correctly below, and then tap on this check mark at the top right corner in order to continue. Now just click on all of those switchers next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Chrome and Calendar. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that privacy password is now required. If you want to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into Settings again, tap on Privacy, then Privacy again and App Lock. Now, after entering your privacy password, tap on the same no blue switchers next to your locked apps. In order to disable App Lock completely, tap on this switcher next to App Lock feature. You can always switch it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!